client's role in the lawsuit? Hi, my name is David Price, and I'm a personal injury trial attorney in Greenville, South Carolina. And I want to share some valuable information with you. A lot of times when my client comes to see me, they don't understand what role they will play in the lawsuit process. I explain to them that one of the services I provide is taking the legal stuff off their plate so they can concentrate on getting better. That being said, there's still certain things that the client needs to do to help us help them. One of the earliest things our clients must do is keep us informed on the progress of their medical treatment. We will not know what doctors they are seeing and what treatment they are receiving if they do not tell us. So we ask our clients to call their paralegal and keep them informed on the progress of their treatment. When it's time to try to settle the client's case, I will call the client and talk about their demand and give them the information they need to determine whether or not to accept a settlement. It is always the client's decision whether or not to accept a settlement. If a settlement cannot be reached, then we will have to file a lawsuit. One of the first things the client may be asked to do is during the written discovery process, where the client may be asked to gather certain documents kept by the client or to provide certain information known only to the client. A paralegal will contact them and tell them what information is required and schedule a time for them to either talk to the paralegal or the lawyer a few days later to provide the information that they've gathered. A client may also be asked to give a deposition, wherein the client will be asked to come to their lawyer's office and appear before a court reporter and the attorney for the other party. The other attorney would then have the opportunity to ask the client questions under oath to determine what the client will testify to if the case goes to trial. When a client's required to give a deposition, they come to meet with their attorney beforehand, and I talk to them about what to expect when they give their deposition. During the course of the litigation, there's likely to be additional settlement negotiations in which the client would be asked to participate. Again, it is always the client's decision whether or not to accept any settlement offer during the lawsuit of their case. If a case is not settled and goes to trial, then the client will be required to participate in the entire trial process and will also be required to testify at trial. The client can expect to have several meetings with their attorney prior to trial, wherein the attorney will explain to the client what to expect at trial and will practice their testimony that they will give at trial. My name is David Price, and I help people through the lawsuit process every day. If you've been injured by somebody else, then I want to help you. Please call me at 864-271-2636 or visit my website at greenvillelegal.com. I want to give you the personal, dedicated representation that you deserve.